Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, November 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How's your week going so far?
Good morning, David. It's been busy but okay. I need this coffee to wake up.
Me too. This machine is my best friend in the morning. So any big news this week? I saw some interesting stories.
Yes, I read the papers too. What caught your eye first?
Let's talk about that trade thing. You know, the one with the US and China. The New York Times had an opinion piece on November 19.
Oh, right. It was about Trump's trade war. They said it showed China can stand up to America.
Yeah. The article talks about how the tariffs exposed US problems. It made China stronger and hurt America at a bad time.
That's controversial. Some people think the trade war helped US jobs. Others say it raised prices for everyone.
True. As a sales rep, I see it in my work. Higher costs mean clients buy less. What do you think, Alex?
As a project manager, I worry about supply chains. If trade gets worse, our projects delay. Coffee's ready? Want some milk?
Yes, please. Thanks. It makes me think about global business. We sell to Europe too. Does this affect them?
Probably. The piece says it undermined America. China has more leverage now. It's not good for deals.
Exactly. I had a call with a client yesterday. They mentioned higher prices from tariffs. Tough times.
I understand. Let's hope it gets better. Now another news. Something in tech?
Oh yes. The Europe Big Tech story from the New York Times on November 18.
Europe rethinking its rules on big tech? They want to scale back laws on AI and data privacy?
Right. The article says policymakers are changing the strict rules. It's a shift from tough regulations.
That's big. Before, Europe was hard on companies like Google. Now they simplify for AI?
Controversial for sure. Some say it's good for innovation. Others think it hurts privacy.
In our office, we use AI tools. Easier rules could help our projects go faster.
But what about data safety? I don't want my info leaked. Remember last year's breach?
Yeah, scary. This change might make companies less careful. As PM, I need secure data for teams.
Me too. Clients ask about privacy now. It's part of sales talks. Pass the cup, please.
Here, the story mentions landmark rules getting simpler. Europe was aggressive before.
Yeah, it could mean more tech jobs here, but I like strong privacy laws.
Balance is key. Too strict, no growth. Too loose, risks. What else is in the news?
Something fun. Or not so fun, the movie award thing.
The controversial one, I think from CNN on November 17. About the actor and the award.
Wait, let me recall. Actually, it was in USA Today, November 18. A movie got an award, but protests happened.
Yes, the film won Best Picture, but the director has old scandals. People protested at the ceremony.
The details say the award sparked outrage. Fans say the industry ignores bad behavior.
Society is talking about it. Some defend the movie's art. Others want accountability.
As sales guy, I see movies as relaxation. But this makes me think about company values.
True, in projects we check partners' reps. Same for entertainment.
The protests were big. Signs and chants outside the theater.
It divides people, forgive past or not? Deep question.
Yeah, I watched the movie last weekend. Good story, but now I feel weird.
Me too. Culture changes slow. Coffee's cooling, want a refill?
Sure, thanks. This chat is great. Help start the day.
Agreed. Now back to trade. How does it hit sales directly?
Well, tariffs on electronics mean higher prices. Clients wait or switch suppliers.
For projects, we import parts. Delays cost time and money.
Exactly. The NYTP says vulnerabilities exposed. We need better plans.
Yes. Maybe talk to boss about it in next meeting.
Good idea. Now, tech rules. If Europe loosens, does US follow?
Maybe. It could mean less red tape for our software.
But privacy concerns grow. I read users worry about data use in AI.
The article says simplify data privacy rules. Controversial for citizens.
Right? In office, we train on data safety. Important.
Very. Now the movie. Did you see the actor's speech?
Yes, he thanked fans but ignored protests. Bold.
It fueled more debate on social media. Everyone has an opinion.
Society needs these talks. Makes us better.
True, as PM I manage team conflicts. Similar.
Ha! Office dramas like movie ones, but no awards here.
Lucky coffee break almost over. Busy day?
Yes, 2 meetings. You?
Reports due, but this relaxed me.
Me too. See you later. Have a good one.
You too, take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.